Hey, check it out. Our next little animated GIF effort here is going to involve just some pictures, and I'm kind of showing you right now. If you'll look, I'm on that gifmaker.me, and if you'll look over here on the top right hand side, you'll see my little animation going on here. And I didn't even use Chrome Canvas on this one, and that's what I'm going to ask you to do today is just kind of go hunt up a series of pictures that you think might look fun once you put them into a little animated GIF kind of thing, and then we'll just build it from there. And I'm going to show you a couple of tips, but this one is not terribly complicated, really. I'm going to click the home button on GIF Maker ME, and it's just going to kind of clear that animation out. All right, so this one, like I said, you don't really have to use Chrome Canvas or anything. I'm going to go over here. I've got a Google window open. And I clicked on images and I did a search for Avenger icons up here. And I also did this. I went to tools and size over here, tools and size. And I said I wanted icon size because I didn't want big pictures on this. And you could use any school appropriate image that you want, but I would recommend that you don't get big ones. You don't need big pictures on this. And so when I did that search, Avenger icons, and I went to tools and I did icon size, I found all these cool, I like them anyway. Like here's Captain America, and they're PNGs and have a transparent background, which doesn't really matter. Your pictures don't have to have a transparent background today. But, I just did a right click, save image as, and I went to my drive over here on the side. I went to my drive, and I made a folder for putting these icons in there. So I just found the pictures on Google, did a right click, save image as. I went to my drive. I wanted to put them in a folder, but yeah, that's up to you. Save them. Just pay attention to where you save them. Make sure you get them on your Google Drive or whatever. All right. I'm not really going to save that because I already have it saved. So I scrolled through here and I found Hawkeye and I found Iron Man and I found Thor and Black Widow and, oh gosh, there's Ant-Man and wow, fun stuff, right? So I found this little series of Avenger icons, and I also used this top one right up here with the Avenger logo on it. All right, so then back there on gifmaker.me, man, this is super simple. All you got to do, and again, if we were doing this in Photoshop, I would show you so many more options, and we'd do so many more things. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry we're not at school and doing it that way, but we'll do the best we can. All right, so I'm just going to upload the images. And then, again, over here on the left-hand side, you can browse around. You can get to your Google Drive and go look for the pictures that you saved, right? Go find them, okay? I've already got this pointing to the folder. I made a folder, and I put all of those little Avenger icons in that folder. So I can click on the first one and shift-click on the bottom one, and it will select all of them. And I'll just click open. Excuse me. And it loads them up. There they are. And then I could play around with the order. The order doesn't really make a ton of difference right now. You know what I might do just for kicks and giggles is I might go upload one more time and get another copy of that Avengers icon and put it at the beginning and the end. See what I did there? I'm using this same picture. I'm using this Avengers icon in the first frame and the last frame. So when I watch my animation, it appears that Avengers logo stays a little bit longer because there's actually 2 frames of it. One of the things we would do if we were working with Photoshop is you can change the timing of an individual frame. And, I could be wrong. You might be able to do that here, but I haven't investigated enough to figure out how. You can change the speed of the overall animation if you want to. So find a speed that you like, and I'd like for you to try and use at least 5 different images, kind of make it flip through 5 different images and see what you can do. They have to be school-appropriate images. You need 5. Let's see what we can make it do, right? So now I would just go through all the normal stuff. If I want to get this all done, I would say we'll create the GIF animation. That'll take a moment. And then right below that black button, you've got the view the GIF or the download the GIF. All right, let's view it real quick just for kicks and giggles. There it is. Yay. All right, that opens in a separate tab, right? So I can download it. And that went on to my Google Drive. I could ask it to show me where it is. And it's on my drive. And it's going to have that, it's a generic file name, web pnet gif maker. All right. And I could rename it if I wanted to. Avengers. There. So I renamed it, and then all I would have to do is go turn it in on Google Classroom. Yippee.